This is our company named TPF, Tip Top Laser Fiber 3015 pellet. It means the motion width for 1,500 and the length for the 3 meters length. So we named it TPI 3015 pellet. If you have interest in with this machine, you can told my colleague for this number. He will give you the details of this machine. And very important is that this machine we have stock. We have machine stock. If you make order, we can deliver it in the 7 working days. And if you order 2 machines, 2 sets of machines, we can also put it in the 20 containers. It is the best way to reduce the shipping fees. This is the warranty time. We make the warranty time for 3 years. So far, we introduced this is 1 kilowatts for customers. So we will introduce you 3 kilowatts for you. This is also fiber cutting machine, but we call it industrial fiber cutting machine because it is independent component and the machine film is very strong than the advanced fiber cutting machine.
Welcome, it is by results into our broadcast live room.
This fiber laser cutting machine is much more efficient than the traditional CO2 laser. Without complete maintenance, the fiber laser cutting machine can ensure excellent service life and high cutting quality on any metal. This type of machine suitable for the 2 kilowatts. The bed of this cutting machine is mostly tube-shaped medium. The thickness of the fuselage is stronger and more stable. So look, this is rituals for autofocus. This high number for BM 110. It's for this autofocus laser cutting head. You can find the focus by inputting the number to the software directly. Perforate faster than the manual focus. So if the customer wants the autofocus laser cutting head, we will recommend this type. For the autofocus laser cutting head, we also use the virtual control system with the fast cut 2000.
英语界面不行吗？是吧？英语界面。
或者是要不先做个工作视频，做个完成工作视频再调。先做工作视频。
Okay.
先做工作视频，然后再调。
I will ask my engineer to make the video make the test of the machine.
很好，200多万呀！你不说1万8，然后把这个给切了，这个弧度是太高了，是冷。Antonio.
Welcome, Anthony, into the live. This is the carbon steel for
12个。12，有看到吗？
12 thickness.
12 millimeter thickness. This is for 2 kilowatts fiber cutting machine laser source cutting.
然后我讲一下其他的技术要求吧。这个第一个太正了啊，别放，这个
This is the simple for this machine cutting. This 算一下。
这边的第一个不要放。
This is for 20 millimeters carbon steel. This is 15 carbon steel cutting samples. It all uses the 2 kilowatts fiber cutting machine cutting. Because we use the focus laser cutting head, so the software is SafeCut 2000. Yes, it can support more than 10 types languages. It can support Chinese, Tafic, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Dutch, Russia, Portuguese languages for customer choose.